this is EURNZD daily time frame. So last week, or I believe it's last week Friday or Monday, I'm not sure, or this week Monday, I'm not sure. So as you can see here, let me just confirm that here. Yeah, it was the 14th of April. It's last week. So as you can see here, this is what we were anticipating for price to get to this level here, and then we get to see price push up. So you can see price got to this level here, and it goes to play around at this level here. It left a lot of equal highs here, meaning there is lots of liquidity pools that are resting here. So price came back now, and then it took up everything. So what we're going to be anticipating for definitely is price to take out this buy side liquidity here and collect this buy side liquidity here. But before price get to take out those, we need to look at something here. If price closes this at this level here, this is gonna be an order block, so we're gonna be expecting price to push down a little bit. Okay, so if price close at this level or somewhere at this level here, we're gonna expect price to push down a little bit just to close this void that has been created, get back to this level of our order block, and then we have a first test of that order block, and then price continue to go down. So this can be your entry at this level here if price gets to give us one, but most of the time, 90% of the time, it gives us something like that, where it just retrace a little bit and get to this level, and then it gets to push up and continue in that direction. So you can actually have a re-entry here, or if you have a position, you still have your position here, what you can do, it's actually to close, to partially close, and then you move your stop loss. You can move your stop loss at least below this low here or below this low here, and then you wait for price to retrace a little bit. If it retrace and get to this level, you can have a re-entry going down, targeting first this liquidity void that is resting here, and then secondly this liquidity void that is resting here. Because if you look from weekly time frame, this is what I see on weekly. So looking at weekly, this is the fair value gap that we have, and if you look at here, we have a lot of liquidity void that has been created as price was going down. So I'm anticipating to see price coming and getting to this level of our fair value gap, and then we get to see price sell off at this level here. And if you look at here, you can see that we have our level of our breaker. This is a breaker structure. We have a high, we have a low, we have a high, and then price went down and break everything. So if you get to look at that alone, you can see that we have a breaker here. So this is the level where you're going to be targeting price to get to, but you need to keep in mind that price will even close maybe 50% of the fair value gap. So the moment price gets to this level here, what we're going to be doing is to go to a smaller time frame and look for sell profiles within this level here. Whenever price gets to give us sell profiles, we're gonna sell short, but you need to keep in mind that price might close this fair value gap, all of it, or 50% of it, or sometimes it might even get to this level of a breaker here, or sometimes it might not even get to this level of your break. So that is why when price get to this level, go to a smaller time frame, start looking for sell profiles. So if you look at this level here, we also have an order block at this level here with the fair value gap here. So but before price get to this level here, this is where we need to look at first, because it's not just gonna move up and get to this level here unless there are massive news that we have. But this is the level that we are anticipating to get our setup first at, and this is the second level here that we are anticipating to have our sell setup. So that's it for this video. Shalom.